This is the meter with two TDS value. This is the sensor, and now we need to install here. For this one, we take out the white and pink, and also this one, we connect the white to black and the pink to red. It is the blue one, blue 2, and the yellow 2. We take out and connect the yellow. There are two sides, the different sides. Connect. Use this one to fix it. After finish the connector, we push this one here, and this way, this back side here, connect. It's very tight. Cut. It's okay. Done. And connect here this way to the adapter. Now the wire connector is done. There are two connectors. This is 3/8 to 1/4. First, the black one is inlet water TDS sensor. We put it in the connector, and white one is outlet TDS sensor. This is for outlet water. The black one is for inlet value. It can connect to water supply, and the water go into the filtration system. And the black wire is for the TDS value of inlet water. The white one is for outlet TDS value. Water go inside after the filtration system. Go through the TDS value and then go to faucet. The outlet value will be shown. Then we connect the now we can see here is inlet TDS and this is outlet TDS.